Make a great choice today with the 2016 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.